The figure below is made up of two identical squares of side 7. Let's just label 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. A semicircle is drawn inside the figure, so this is a semicircle. They say find the area of the shaded part. This is actually quite simple, right? Now, imagine if I were to take this quadrant and I throw it inside here, and I shift this quadrant inside here. Now, wouldn't it just be like that? So if I were to redraw the figure using freehand, I'm trying my best. Once I shift this one over, wouldn't this just be a shaded square? Okay, so isn't it just 7 times 7 to find the area? Is there even a need to use the pi? No, what? There's no need, what? Okay. So for students who are not aware about this, this way, right? They will start like taking find the quadrant here. Once they find the area of the quadrant, then they'll find the area of the square. They'll find the area of the square to minus the quadrant, so they can find this part. And after I find this part, they add up together. Then after you get the answer. Don't bother. Use my way. Be a little bit more creative. Shift the shaded region around. Usually for question in the area, for area type question, right? Shifting of the areas, the shaded region could get you the easy score. Okay.